Welcome to MBBSCouncil. In this video, we are going to see the NEET All India rank versus score trend for the past 3 years and predict NEET 2021 rank based on the trend. If you are looking for MBBS admission guidance, install MBBSCouncil app. This app is used by more than 1 lakh students and parents to choose the best medical college for their NEET score. App link is given in the description below. We have listed NEET All India rank for NEET scores 650, 625, 600 till 500. You can see last 3 years trend. During 2018, only 125 students have crossed 650 NEET score. Whereas during 2019, nearly 1000 students have crossed 650. But in 2020, it increased by 4 times. Nearly 4000 students scored above 650. For NEET 2021, we are expecting close to 2500 students to score above 650. Same way, we expect around 30% decrease in overall student performance because of difficulty level of the question paper. Close to 24,000 students are expected to score above 575 and 57,000 students are expected to score above 500. During 2018, All India rank cutoff was 10,443. Corresponding NEET score cutoff was 537. During 2019, All India rank cutoff increased by 2,000 ranks. During 2020, All India rank cutoff was close to 15,000 and the corresponding NEET score cutoff was 611. As Jammu Kashmir is participating in All India quota starting from this year, and many Phase 2 and Phase 3 government colleges in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu are expected to start this year, MBBS seats are expected to increase. For NEET 2021, we expect All India rank cutoff to be around 16,500 and NEET score cutoff to be around 585. If you are looking for MBBS admission counseling updates and analysis, subscribe to this channel. What do you think will be your All India rank? Let us know by commenting below. If you have any questions regarding MBBS admission, comment below. See you in the next video.